Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to install the Crunchyroll app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install the Crunchyroll app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your Google Chrome. And once you're on Chrome, next, I want you to go to the website of Crunchyroll. So just search for crunchyroll.com on your search bar. And once you're on the website, I want you to take a look at the top right corner, and then you will see this download icon right here, just beside the bookmark. So this icon is used to download this website as an actual app, so just go and click it. But if you can't see this icon, you can use the alternate step of finding it by clicking this 3 dots at the corner. And then a drop-down menu will appear. So on this menu, I want you to select the cast, save, and share. And then there it is. You will now see the install button for the website right here. So that's the alternate step, guys. But if you can immediately see the install icon right here at the top, then just click that since that's more easier and faster. And then click install. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Crunchyroll app installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it to watch your favorite anime series. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.